guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Today we're gonna talk about something special, how to buy a plot of land on the next year. So we go to the website and right here, next year. This is the website. This is the website. And here is most popular countries and most expensive countries. So we go to login, click here login, okay. I already saved my password on the website, so if you have account right here, email address and password here. If not, click here sign up and create your account. Your username, first name, email, password, confirm password, and click register. So we'll go to platform. This is the platform. So map, this is map. Now we will go to some place and buy it. So we're looking for some special place. I think we will go to the United States of America. Right, New York, for example. New York. Because this country is the most popular country. So finally we found place. I think it's a good place. Circle it like this and click. So total $5.55. $5. So we're gonna click buy now. Click I have read the foundation etc. Buy now. First of all, you should connect your MetaMask. So we will go to the wallet and connect our MetaMask. So we go to write password to connect our MetaMask, our wallet, connect to the website. Okay, here we go. So then once we sign here, then we go to the land. Okay guys, this is the video. I hope this video like it.